Epstein with your morning flash update on an eventful morning for this Tuesday, and this is the 29th of March, 2022, about 8:17 a.m. Here's the event. In Turkey, progress sounds, I want to put quotes around this, sounds like there is progress between the meetings of the Ukrainian and Russian envoys. That's it. With that, wheat, the big export of that region, down 7 cents. Oil, not only did it break down hard yesterday, you're under $100 in U.S. You're getting a big bid in the bonds and notes. The stock market lifted on it. Gold went down $50 an ounce on this news. Silver, this is a bounce. It's been down nearly $1.20 an ounce. Copper getting a bid off of this. Dollar getting hit, and foreign currencies rallying rather dramatically off the news. So we seem to get the yin, the yang. Every time we think that there's something good happening, the markets react. We hope that this is the case. Russia has said that they are pausing their attack on Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. This is good news. And if that is in fact the case, a pause is better than they're going to continue attacking. If you watch during the day, it's amazing because it appears that life goes on as normal. Now I'm going to get to the day's data. I want to remind you, if you want to see our free offerings, take your cursor, move it up here. It'll take you right to our free offering section of our website. Okay, and there's a lot there. Market news, video areas, charting software. It's full of information for traders. Now, Redbook retail sales. As I said, while these numbers are double digit, they're going to start shrinking on you because a year ago things were getting better as we were coming out of the first, that latest round of COVID. And by the way, COVID is still a big issue. Shanghai is shut down. So because of that, part of yesterday's break in oil was obviously if the factories are closed in different parts of China, you don't need as much oil at that point. That put it down. Now the peace talks is helping with that. So you see 12.9% gains. Okay. When we go to the Case-Shiller homes, what have I been saying? The biggest thing that traders have made money on recently is owning a home. Up 19% from a year ago month. They expected it up 18.5%. And for the month of January, month over month, up 1.8%. I mean, this is the thing to own. The Conference Board, U.S. consumer confidence comes out at 9 o'clock. We get jobs opening, the JOLTS numbers, they come out at 9 o'clock, and the API numbers are going to come out at 3:30 this afternoon. So you look at all this, you've got to take it with a grain of salt to a degree, but the market is telling you what would happen to a certain amount if there were peace. And of course, then we go back to what does the Fed do about inflation? And as you can see, if inflation were to come off because supply chains in the world get done, you got to go back and say, gee, do we really need 8 rate hikes the way so many people are pricing them in? That will be the next conversation. But first, you got to get through where are we on the Ukraine-Russian peace talks. I'm Ira Epstein. See you this afternoon.